spoken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there.
Hello. I know that some of you, my folks on here, might have been wondering where has she been. But am I back? Probably. I just wanted to come and tell you where I've been and what I've been up to specifically. So I've been bumping a baby, and by now, if you're seeing this video, we already have our bundle of joy, and that's why I decided to produce and push out the video. So I've been bumping a baby since last year, November, and then what else? I've been working off and on, just off and on as my strength carries me. And then I experienced a kind of loss. I lost my mom towards the tail end of the pregnancy. So it's been sort of a roller coaster. I've been happy, I've been unhappy, I've been well, I've been unwell, but in it all and in all of the situations, I'm thankful. I'm thankful because the God who says that is the help of the helpless has been my help, to be honest. And yeah, so that's what has been happening to me. And I've also been a mother to a toddler. And what else? Yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, so I just thought to put a compilation of just a few days, few weeks of my life being a pregnant woman and being a mom to a toddler, even though I decided not to include the face of my toddler this time around. It's not necessary. So yeah, so that's where I've been. Okay, and I'm back, and today I think I should be in my 8th month right now, and I feel like this bump is actually quite small for 8 months, but I'm good. I'm okay. See my bump? Ooh, the bump is bumping. My 8-month bump. 8 months bump. So that's the bump that I've been keeping, nursing, bumping, protecting for some months. I know some people might have guessed that, oh, she just went away. We're not even seeing her anywhere. Maybe she's pregnant. Yes, maybe you probably guessed right. But then I've stopped filming even before getting pregnant because I was a bit overwhelmed, and I was also planning a trip, like a solo trip for myself. So I was in and out of my terrain, trying to submit my application, go for my interview and all stuff, So that was why I stopped filming at first, towards the end of last year. But the main issue is this bump. So I've been well, and I'm sure that you guys have been well as well. So the next few clips you would see would be the compilation of days in my life, my hospital appointments, my glucose test, which I had to do twice just to be sure that me and the baby, we did not have anything close to gestational diabetes, because the baby was looking big even at 7th month. So yeah, that's it. Enjoy the clips and we'll take it from there, trust me. Okay, take it from there. Yeah, we'll take it from there. We'll start content about how I've been coping with nursing my baby all by myself, because my trust and my hope was that my mom was going to help me with that, but now that things are this way, we bless God. Okay, yeah. See you guys at the end of the video. Ciao. I had an appointment at the hospital with the obstetrician, if that's what they call it. I think that's what they call it. And as of today, this is what we have. So, and I'm currently 20 weeks. So today's appointment was basically to have a discussion with them at the hospital, and they told me about what makes some people get the cesarean sections done and stuff. And because they're a little bit concerned about the size of my first child when I had her, so they're saying that if that was a size when I had her, it's possible that I make big babies generally, so it might still be the same size for this one. So they're saying it's okay for people to also have big babies, right? But when they see that something is looking like a threat, that's when they tend to make them switch or opt for cesarean sections. Because I mean, I've been a bit bothered lately. I've heard a couple of people who betted their babies here talking about, oh, any little thing they just make you go for CS, any little thing and I'm like, what? It shouldn't be like that. So if that's the case, I think I have questions. So I had to ask my questions about that situation, and I got my answers, and I think that makes sense. So I'm just going back home. My house to the hospital is quite close. I have another appointment tomorrow for my scan, which is the anomaly one, to also know the gender that we're having this time. But there's a gender I've been praying to God for. I'm sure you can guess. So if this video comes out, by the time it comes out, we definitely know the gender we have. So, alright. Just thought to carry you guys along. Catch you later. Today's episode of going to the hospital. Today is Saturday, the 17th of May, yes, 2025. I observed that my baby's fetal movement reduced, and the reason why it reduced, I sincerely don't know. And we're in the 3rd trimester, so I'm thinking maybe it's the weight of the baby that has occupied the womb, and it has made it convenient, not to say the other word, for the baby to move in the womb as much. So, kind of who's I was asked to do a scan called CTG. That's the one where they would monitor the baby's movement for about 20 minutes, but today's one took over 20 minutes because the baby wasn't moving as much still, and at the point it wasn't moving at all. But then they've said that they will reschedule me for a scan maybe by Monday or Tuesday, and I'm really looking forward to that. Hopefully by then I would be able to know the gender, because by now at this point I don't know the gender, and I'm already 7 months gone. It's funny, but at the same time I don't want to be unnecessarily anxious, because at this point in my life I have so many things going on through my mind. The loss of my mom, after having so much plans that, oh, she was going to come help me with the baby when I have to return back to work, and so many things. So a part of me has been unhappy, if I'm gonna be sincere with myself. A part of me has been very, very unhappy, but it is well. It is well. Me and my siblings, we have officially joined the gang of people who are orphans. Well, anyway, ṣebí wọ́n máa ń kọrin kan wípé Ọlọ́run ni bàbá fún aláìní bàbá. Nísìnyí ó ti di Ọlọ́run ni bàbá àti màmá fún ẹni tí ò lóbí mọ́. So I'm back home dear. All will be well. So right now I'm putting myself together really to ensure that I'm prepared mentally as well, and physically and also psychologically to welcome and receive this baby. And that's part of the things that has made me not be so anxious about the gender. But God knows what I want, and I've told him what I want, and I hope it's what I want that is baking in this oven. And this is the oven. My warm oven. Okay, the hospital to the house is about it's about 15 minutes walk, and I'm enjoying the sun. So what's the point of waiting for a bus or a taxi to come pick me when I can easily walk to the house? It's actually less than 15 minutes though. So I'm almost home, and I will speak to you later. You watching later. Yeah, bye. Today I went to weave my hair. It's funny and it's not funny. I went to weave my hair today, and I just got home. I made Didi, and now I look obviously pregnant, obviously heavy. Look, see my hair is gone, the hair length check, it's all gone, but I don't mind. So yeah, just got back home. So I'm back with my cap again, and on today's episode I decided to take it upon myself to be taking my daughter to the nursery, because obviously Mr. O is working at home, and me, I'm not doing anything. I'm just relaxing, just as I've been advised to. So I'm just relaxing at home, and I just thought it's pertinent, so that I will be active, pertinent to continue taking Gabby to the nursery once in a while, just to move my body. So that's what I've just concluded this morning, and I'm going back home to take my medication and have breakfast, and then relax till afternoon time when it's time for pickup, and then I'll go again and see what happens this for the whole of the week. My nose is nosing, and I'm not one of those people that have swollen hands. I don't even have swollen feet this time around, and I'm so grateful for it. Unlike my first pregnancy, Gabby's pregnancy, my feet were swollen at this point, but this time around I think I'm good. Now And in this, it came with a 10 ml of this one, and the purse also comes with a lipstick, a Christian Dior lipstick that is this shade, yeah, and I think it's a nice nude color for dark skinned girls. So let's do a quick unboxing out here while I wait for me to go pick my baby. While I want to go pick my baby. I've used this perfume before, but not this exact one. If you guys remember, I used the other one that has all time or all team written somewhere here. So I got this one. This is the 50 ml again because it's quite pricey to me. This cost about £96 or so. But let's see. Oh. Oops. Let's smell. Oh, I see what the folks have been talking about. It smells so nice. Yep. So today I'm back again, and yesterday actually, we got this box from the government. I'm sure if you live in this terrain, you already know that pregnant women have the opportunity to get this gift boxes that basically comes with some baby essentials for new moms and new babies. So I was made to fill a form, just a quick form, sent that through the post, and I'm currently 32 weeks. This came in, so I'm going to be showing you guys what comes with it. Basically, because I did a little bit of check online just to see what comes with the box when I was trying to shop for my own baby, so that I won't end up buying what will still come with the box. I have a bit of cold as well. So when I did that, I'm like, okay, I'll just hold on. I didn't really see any video that was showing or explaining what this boxes comes with. So I thought I'll just hold on. I will still have about 8 weeks or less to shop for a couple of things, even if some of the things that I'm expecting doesn't come with the box, even though I've shopped a whole lot. So, Gandhi, please excuse me. Box is quite huge, but it's lightweight. So this is the inner compartment of the box. Let's do this, and then I'll move backwards. Okay, stop here. Alright.
No.
Wait. Oh. Okay, now move.
Yeah, nice job.
It says Parents Club, Scottish Government. Okay.
This is fish.
We'll move that one away. Let's go one after the other. And comes with this. I'm sure these are just to protect. Wait. Take. What's the first thing you took out? I'm going to be showing everything quickly one after the other. This is a digital thermometer. I have one already, so see what I was saying. Patience, sit down, please. Sit down. important information. I'll check this out much later because I don't want to waste time on this part of the video at all. Reusable period pads. No. This has some information about the baby box itself. What's this one? This is a toothbrush for the baby. And this is
a toy.
Not a toy, it's like a bib. When the baby starts sitting, for them to chew on, something like that. And this says out and about. This is just like a little storybook.
How about this?
Hey, Jesus. A little storybook. These are miniature size nail files. One after the other, please.
Socks.
Pair of socks. Hold on. Maternity pads for the mom. Oh God.
I don't want to.
Just a minute. You can hold on. Breast pads. I already bought a pack of breast pads that has, I think, 1,000 inside. So this might not really be useful. But let's wait and see. Another pair of socks. Joggers.
No, trousers.
Trousers. My daughter said it's called trousers. Okay. That's two.
Trousers
Are
again.
they the same size? No, they're not the same size. They're two different sizes. Let's figure out what this is. I sincerely and honestly don't know what this is.
It's a toy. It was from school today, but it's not from school again.
I don't know what this is. Oh, figure that out. Another book.
Another book.
And another book. And these are mittens for the baby's hands.
That gloves.
And these are protectives for the parents of the newborn. Protectives. So we won't have a new baby so quickly. Alright.
Cap.
This is a cap, head warmer. And this is a bib. It says from birth. And then I want to believe this is a wash clothes, like, yeah, I'm right, like to wipe out the baby's mouth, maybe after feeding or something. I don't know, we'll figure it out.
Feeding. That's what I mean.
I think so.
Mom,
And that is a set of 3. Just a minute, please. Okay. Excuse me. This is what's this thing called? That thing you can use to wrap the baby. It's a baby wrap. Yeah, it's a baby wrap that you can use to wrap the baby, but we have a baby carrier already, so I don't know. And then it comes with these ones. This one. This one. Comes with another one. And another onesie. And another onesie. Even though I've gotten some onesies, but another onesie. Came with a sponge. I already got a set of sponge for the baby.
comes with a digital bath and room thermometer. Take it easy, no noise please. It comes with this funny jacket. I already have something like that in a onesie form. It comes with this one. I just got something like this, but thicker than this one. It's never enough. It comes with a towel for the baby. I already got a set of towels for the baby. It comes with another protective for the parents of the newborn. It comes with a changing mats. Did I buy a changing mat? Yes, we have 2 changing mats already. And the stroller we bought, oh please, and the stroller we got has a changing mat that came with it as a gift. So yeah. And I was trying to prevent this kind of thing because I'm not a person that really likes it when I have something that serves a purpose in 2 places or 3 places. I don't really like it. I see it as a waste. Comes with this onesie and then another onesie.
Oh.
After they wear onesie up and down, another onesie, and then comes with, what's this one? I think this is like a cover. Yeah, comes with this cover for the mattress that's inside. There's a mattress inside, 2 of that, and then it comes with this thing. It says a play mat. Let's see, and nothing much in the box actually. So yeah, a play mat that you can put on the floor. And the other side is just plain. Okay. Hold on. Whew. We're there. And it comes with this mattress. And I already have something like this in the place where we're going to be washing the baby. So I think this box itself can serve the purpose of, you know, a baby sleeping inside of it. You cover it with one of those white mattress covers and then you keep your baby cozy inside. But no, we bless God for what we have, that we can afford, a proper cot. We have a proper cot already, so this won't be needed. I'm just going to trash it or probably keep it and keep it for when the baby starts outgrowing some of our stuff, and then we'll just be putting it there so that whenever we want to probably gift some things out, we'll just carry the whole box and we'll gift it out the box. So yeah, that's basically what comes with the old Scottish box. Yeah, that's it. Okay, catch you guys later.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the dark. Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus.
Mom, can I take a picture of this thing?
It's powerful.
No, I just want to take a picture.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the
I'm going to make my hair today, and this is going to be my postpartum hairstyle, if I do say so myself. Postpartum hairstyle, delivery hairstyle. See my nose. I sent a video of my hair to my sisters, and they started laughing like, they can't wait for me to go back to my pretty self. I was just laughing at them. But I don't think the hair is bad for 40 quids. I'm exhausted. Back home like I never left. Today I went to the midwife. I had an appointment and I got there. They asked me a couple of questions about the baby's movement, and I told them what I've observed, and they sent me straight away to the triage for them to monitor the baby's movements again. So I'm just waiting for them to come and start that procedure, and I'm currently 36 weeks today. It is well.